Hello, can you hear me?
Hola.
Yes, can you hear me properly?
Yeah. Hello, how are you? You talking in English? Oh my gosh.
Yes, we can talk and we can talk
Yeah.
English.
Mira, look, I don't listen you, but I have I leave. I entrace again, okay? For
Oh,
for the microwave
okay.
microphone. Ahí está.
Hello.
Yeah, it's good. Hello, how are you?
Yes, we are doing very well. What about you, ma'am?
Bien, very good, thank you. She's not very good.
Um,
I talking in Spanish, but I try understand. I try talking with you.
okay, then you can use subtitle, and also after this meeting, my colleague will send you all of this information by Google Doc sheet. You can check it out. Okay, ma'am?
Okay.
Yeah, so at first, thank you so much for joining with us. At first, I love to shortly introduce about ourselves and about our company. And then we gonna talk about our project. Myself, Rifat Sarkar, and in here another person. His name is Motiur Rahman. Actually, Motiur Rahman, he is reach out to you, and we are working together. We are teammate. We are working on digital marketing sector, and we are providing digital marketing all types of services. So this purpose, today's meeting topic is about your YouTube channel. You have a great YouTube channel and you wanna get more views, get more traffic, get more audience, get more quality leads in your channel. Am I right?
Okay.
Yes. So for your YouTube channel, there is no problem, ma'am. After finish our meeting, he will send you all of this information by writing, so you can take a look and understand easily. Okay. Yes. So,
Okay.
yes. So for your YouTube channel, we have three type of services available. First one is SEO. That means search engine optimization. And in this session, first of all, we will research your whole YouTube channel, your niche, your category, your product or service, etc. And then we will find out your niche related targeted keyword. Keyword means one kind of word and sentences that are using purpose of search. Okay, so we will find out this type of word or sentences we call keyword. We will find out this, and then we will input and include this keyword on your videos backend section, like your videos title section, your videos description section, and also your videos text section. And do you know about what is title, description, and tag, ma'am? Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yeah. Yeah. I listen you. I understand. Yeah, it's okay.
Okay. So if you face any trouble with understand, then you can just let me know. Then I think we will find another way to talk. Okay. So we will
Yeah.
find out.
Only please you talking more slow.
Okay. No problem. So we will find out your niche related targeted keyword. And after that, we will input and include this keyword on your video's backend section, like your video's title section, your video's description section, and also your video's text section. And when we successfully input and include this keyword on your video's backend section, then when your audience search on YouTube or Google according to your niche and keyword, then your videos will shows YouTube and Google on the top search result. Okay, ma'am. On the top search result. And this is the way your audience get your videos. Your audience will get your videos. And also we have another ways to do that's work that call is AEO. That's mean AI engine optimization. You know about ChatGPT, you know about Gemini, DeepSeek, Claude, or other AI tools. So now at time many people ask to artificial intelligence, hey, Gemini suggest me this type of video. People ask to AI. Right. So we will optimize
Yes,
your
I
video.
do it. I do it. I
Yes,
do it
yes.
the whole videos with this.
Yes. So we will optimize your videos for AEO. That's mean AI engine optimization. And after that, AI can suggest your videos to your actual people, to your audience. When they are looking, when they ask to AI about your related topic, it will suggest your videos to them. So this is the work. And also we have another way that's called organic promotion. And in this session, we can just simply copy your videos link and share by using social media site like Facebook, LinkedIn, Quora, Tumblr, Reddit, Instagram, we can share your videos by using social media site, because this type of social media site using millions of people, so we can share your videos to them. And also we have another method to do, that's called Google Ads, that's mean paid campaign. And in this session, if you have money, then you can choose paid work. But right now and for first, I will recommend you can choose the SEO work, because it's organic and 100% organic work, and it's a very good work. So right now, can I share my screen to show you our agency, our previous work and their result?
Who do the videos?
Yeah.
Yours?
Can you repeat again, please?
Who do the videos? Who
I
do
can.
the videos? I do the videos if you optimize it.
Actually, you will upload your videos, and keep by unlisted, and we will SEO and optimize your videos and publish. We will publish according to your suitable time.
Okay.
Okay, so right now, can I share my screen to show you our agency, our previous work and their results, so that you can decide, so that you can know why you choose us? Okay, I'm sharing my screen. Just let me 1 second. So, can you see my screen now?
I see your screen.
Okay. If you search on Google, just freelancingschoolbd.site, you will see Freelancing School BD. It's our website. Then now you can see it's our website, and you can see it's me. And if you just click on our portfolio section, then you can see we have done a lots of project. You can see YouTube SEO work, before and after work, YouTube SEO. You can see search. That's it. Then if you click on YouTube, Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, Google Ads, social media management, we have done a lots of work. Okay, so after finish our meeting, my colleague will send you all of those links. Then you can check, you can verify by your own. So if you click on our team section, then you can see our full team. And if you click on our client meeting section, then you can see we have done a lots of project about the world. So right now, if you have any question, if you want to know any more other information, then you can feel free to ask me. I will try to answer you.
Okay, it's one course you teach me, or you do it?
Yes, I am a teacher, mentor, and service provider.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am, do you have any question to know? You can ask me. Feel free to.
No. Any time for learning?
Which type of learning? Can you explain me, please?
Learning for you told me you teach me. You told me you teach me how management my YouTube, but it's one course. I need buy one course, or you do it the job. I pay for this one.
Actually, our courses language is Bengali, so I think you cannot understand our mother language in the course. But still, I can help you, and I can send you a English course link about how to manage YouTube channel. I think you can learn about it free totally. I can help you totally. Okay, then you can manage your channel by your side, and we can SEO optimize your YouTube channel from our side. So we can help you both of side. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Entonces you send me the link for more information.
Okay. So after finish our meeting, my colleague will send you all of this information about our agency, our website. You can check our previous work, and he will send you English course about YouTube channel, how to manage it, how to do both of things. Then he will help you about your YouTube SEO, AEO, etc. Because these are very long thing. I think if you want to learn this thing, you cannot manage your business, because you have to take almost 1 hour plus time to learn this both of thing. So you can just learn basic thing, how to manage YouTube channel, etc. And he can send you videos link, then you can easily watch this free course. Okay, ma'am. Okay, then he will work and he will talk with you by email or WhatsApp.
I want for WhatsApp.
Okay, then he will send you his WhatsApp number.
You write me in my WhatsApp.
Actually, Motiur Rahman, he will work with you and he will provide you all of information that you need. He will send you. Just let him know, then he will send you.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. And thank you so much for your time.
Yeah, I'm so sorry. I think so it's in Spanish
No problem.
maybe
Actually,
maybe I do it more question, and when you send me the links, I see the whole information. What is the best for me to.
Okay, then if you have any question, then you can ask by text. Okay,
Okay.
I think
Okay.
it will be suitable for you. And thank you so much for your time.
Yeah. You too. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, sorry.
Good
Thank you
morning.
so much.
Yeah, bye bye.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
ভাই ক্লায়েন্ট কোর্স করতে চাচ্ছে আমাদের